warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mga kapatid kong Bangsamoro, mga kababayan sa Maguindanao del Sur, Maguindanao del Norte at Cotabato City, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Today is a momentous day, not just for the United Bangsamoro Justice Party, but for the Bangsamoro people as a whole. Because today, we do not only proclaim candidates, we proclaim a continued commitment to peace, to justice, and to moral governance, and to the vision of meaningful autonomy that our people have long aspired for. The United Bangsamoro Justice Party is the political party founded by the More Islamic Liberation Front to carry forward our vision of self-determination through democratic and peaceful means. It was born not out of personal ambition, but out of a hard-fought struggle. It stands on the shoulders of our martyrs and our peace negotiators. UBJP is the expression of our transition from revolutionary movement to governance, and it is the vehicle to which we continue to pursue the dreams of our people through peaceful, inclusive, and participatory governance. It is through UBJP that we assert that self-determination does not end with the signing of agreements. It lives on through capable leadership, responsive institutions, and government that reflects the will of the Bangsamoro. Bilang kasalukuyang pangaraan ng Bangsamoro, inampanan ng MILF ang mabigat na responsibilidad na pamunuan ang transition tungo sa isang matatag, tumutugon at makataong pamahalaan. Sa tulong ng ating mga kababayan, ay itaguyod natin ang pundasyon ng makabuluhang pamumuno sa iyo. Naiayos natin ang mga reforma sa pamahalaan, nabigyan puwang natin ang edukasyon, kalusugan, kabuhayan at kaunlaran, mga bunga ng kapayapaan ating ipinaglaban. Ang lahat ng ito ay bunga ng sama-samang pagkilos, at ito ang ating tinatawag na peace dividends. Hindi natin ito dapat sayangin. Kaya napakahalaga ng halalan ito. This election is a defining moment. It marks another critical step in our democratic journey as we participate in the local election this May. An opportunity to choose leaders in our provinces, municipalities, and cities who will carry forward the gains of the peace process and the aspirations of the Bangsamoro people. Ngunit higit pa rito, ang eleksyon ito ay mahalagang paghahanda para sa inaabangang regular na halalan ng Bangsamoro Parliament sa October 2025, kung saan kauna-unahang pagkakataon nating direktang ihalal ang mga magiging tinatawan sa ating regional na legislatura. And so our message must be clear. UBJP offers continuity of leadership, clarity of vision, and a deep and unwavering commitment to the aspiration of the Bangsamoro. More than that, it represents our pursuit of genuine autonomy, where decisions about our future are made by us, for us, and with us, guided by our faith, our identity, and our values. Ngayong araw, buong pakumbaba kung ipinakikilala sa inyo ang mga magiging kinatawag ng UBJP para sa Maguindanao del Sur, Maguindanao del Norte, at Cotabato City. Hindi sila basta-bastang mga kandidato. Sila ay mga pinunong hinubog ng ating kasaysayan, mga kasangga sa ating pakikibaka at mga leader na tunay ang hangaring maglingkod. They understand the weight of the legacy they carry. They are prepared to uphold the values of our movement and serve with humility, sincerity, and courage. To our candidates, lead with humility and a deep sense of duty. Manatili tayong bukas pa sa pakikinig at paglilingkod. Manatili tayong malapit sa taong bayan dahil sila ang tunay na pinagmumulan ng ating lakas. Ang tiwalang ibinibigay sa atin ay isang tungkulin na dapat gampanan ng mga kababaang loob at tunay na malasakit sa kapakanan ng bawat bangsa. To our dear supporters, this is your party. UBGP is your voice. Your choice in this election will define the path of the Bangsamoro for years to come. The MILF began this journey through the sacrifices of war and the wisdom of negotiation. UBJP now continues that journey through leadership, policy, and service. Pero ang direksyon ng ating kinabukasan ay nasa kamay ninyong mga botante. Let us vote not just with our hearts, but with our vision for the generations after us. Piliin natin ang mga leader na hindi lang nangangako, kundi tumutupad. Hindi lang nagsasalita, kundi kumikilos. With UBGP, we safeguard the gains of the peace process. We protect the integrity of the MILF's leadership and legacy. We affirm that the future of the Bangsamoro is not only in peace, but in empowered, accountable, and just governance. Sa UBGP, isinasabuhay natin ang diwa ng ating pakikibaka. Ngayon ay sa anyo ng tapat, makatao at makatarungang pamahalaan. Tinutukoy natin ang laban hindi sa larangan ng digmaan, kundi sa larangan ng paglilingkod. UBGP is not just a party. It is a continuation of our collective story as a people. It carries with it the life experiences, the sacrifices, and the hopes of our every Bangsamoro. Mula sa mga lumahok sa laban para sa karapatan hanggang sa mga pamilyang nangangarap ng tahimik at masaganang pamumuhay. Ito ang pagpapatuloy ng kwento ng bawat Bangsamoro. Isang kwento na muling pagtindig ng paninindigan at ng sama-samang pagtahak sa landas ng tunay na sariling pamamahal. UBGP is the political expression of our long-held aspiration for genuine self-determination. It envisions a future where the Bangsamoro lives with dignity, walks in unity, and moves forward with hope. Through every policy we share, every leader we support, and every voice we empower, we continue the legacy of our struggle. We give life to the sacrifices of those who came before us, and together we write the next chapter of the Bangsamoro story. Isang kwento ng pagkakaisa, pananagutan at pag-asa para sa bawat isa. Ipagpatuloy natin ang laban. Isabuhay natin ang diwa ng kapayapaan. Isulong natin ang UBGP, ang partido ng MILF at ng sambayan ng Bangsamoro. Mabuhay ang Bangsamoro, mabuhay ang UBGP. Mabuhay ang Bangsamoro, mabuhay ang UBGP. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.